Hello everyone, in this video I will be sharing with you the out-of-the-box experience of the Cypress PSoC6 BLE Pioneer kit. Okay, now let's untie the USB Type-C cable. I guess it's almost over. Yes, now it's untied. It's pretty long cable and of good quality too. Let me stretch it and try to show it in the video, but I don't know the entire length would be covered. Okay, now let's plug it in. Frankly, this is my first experience with the board and I really don't know how it'll behave. Wow, we have some nice cool LEDs glowing. The e-ink display is now showing some instructions. Previously it had the Cypress logo displayed. Let me tilt the board to show you the LEDs. Let's now check out the mobile app. The board and the mobile app will be connected to Bluetooth, and let me refresh to have the Bluetooth listed. I'll just pull down, but nothing is being displayed. Okay, let me try again. Still nothing displayed. So I'll just unplug the board and try again. I have not plugged it again. Let me try this time. Oh yes, now we have the device listed. Let me connect it, and we have it connected. We have some options. Okay, let me now try the caption slider, and it's really sensitive. I made a light touch and we have it displayed. Okay, now let's get for another option, and there we have the RGB LED. Okay, let me try to place this thing straight so that the RGB LED will be viewable. Okay, I'll move this thing to support it. Okay, I'll move through the color, and we have it instantly displayed in the LED as we move our hand to the color graph in mobile. Okay, let's move to the next option, the captions button. We have nothing displayed here. I guess we should be hitting the buttons there. Oh yes, we have the 1 and 2 and it's almost instant. The tap is very delicate, and that's it. That's all the options we have. Let me go to the CAD DB. I'll go through all the services one by one. That's all we have in the mobile app. A nice simple app to have you tested the board completely and effortlessly. This is very cool. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned on this road test on Cypress PSoC6 BLE Pioneer kit.